Have you ever dreamed of running a successful Amazon store, but the thought of managing inventory gives you hives? Did you know you could dropship on Amazon? Here's how. This video will show you how to leverage the power of dropshipping to build your Amazon empire without ever needing a warehouse. Dropshipping on Amazon presents a unique opportunity for entrepreneurs to start an e-commerce business without significant upfront investment in inventory. Unlike traditional retail models, dropshipping lets you list and sell products on Amazon without handling physical items. When a customer orders, the product is purchased from a third-party supplier, who then ships it directly to the customer. This business model reduces the financial risks associated with holding stock and provides the flexibility to offer a wide range of products. With Amazon's vast customer base and trusted platform, dropshipping can be lucrative for those who understand how to navigate its specific policies and procedures. Understanding Amazon's dropshipping policy. Amazon allows dropshipping, but it has strict policies that sellers must adhere to. According to Amazon's dropshipping policy, you must be the seller of record for your products, identify yourself as the seller on all packing slips, invoices, and other information included with the products, and be responsible for accepting and processing customer returns. This means you cannot purchase products from another online retailer and have that retailer ship directly to your customers. You cannot ship orders with packing slips, invoices, or other information indicating a seller's name or contact information other than your own. Complying with these rules is crucial to maintaining your seller account in good standing and avoiding potential penalties or suspension. Setting up your Amazon seller account. Step 1. Choose your selling plan. Individual plan. This plan is best for those who plan to sell fewer than 40 items per month. There is no monthly subscription fee, but a per-item fee applies. Professional plan. This plan is best for those planning to sell more than 40 items monthly. A monthly subscription fee applies, but there is no per-item fee. Step 2. Create an Amazon seller account. Visit the Amazon Seller Central website. Go to Amazon Seller Central. Click on Register Now. This will direct you to the registration page. Sign in or create a new Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, you can use it to sign in. Otherwise, create a new account specifically for selling. Step 3. Provide your business information. Business location. Indicate the country where your business is based. Business type. Select your business type, e.g., individual, privately owned business, publicly owned business, state-owned business. Your name. Enter the full name of the business owner. Step 4. Enter personal information. Name and address. Enter your full legal name, business address, and contact information. Identity verification. Provide proof of identity, e.g., driver's license, passport, and proof of address, e.g., utility bill. Step 5. Payment information. Bank account details. Provide your bank account information to receive payments from Amazon. Credit card information. Enter your credit card details for paying Amazon's fees. Step 6. Tax information. Tax identity information. Enter your Social Security number, SSN, or Employer Identification Number, EIN, for tax purposes. Complete the tax interview. Follow Amazon's step-by-step guide to complete the online tax interview process. Step 7. Set up your seller profile. Display. Name. Choose a name to display to customers on Amazon. Store logo and description. Upload a logo and write a brief description of your store to build brand recognition. Step 8. List your first product. Product details. Enter details such as product title, brand, manufacturer, and description. Product images. Upload high-quality images that meet Amazon's requirements. Pricing and shipping. Set your product price and choose your shipping options. Inventory management. Enter the quantity of products you have in stock. Step 9. Review and submit. Double-check information. Ensure all information provided is accurate. Submit your application. Complete the process by submitting your application. Step 10. Wait for approval. Approval process. Amazon will review your application and may contact you for additional information. Account activation. Once approved, your seller account will be activated, and you can start listing and selling products on Amazon. Finding reliable suppliers for Amazon dropshipping. Finding reliable suppliers is crucial for a successful dropshipping business on Amazon. Research potential suppliers on platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salehu. Look for suppliers with high ratings and positive reviews to ensure their reliability. Contact multiple suppliers to compare prices, shipping times, and product quality. Request samples to evaluate the products firsthand. Verify the supplier's communication and responsiveness, as timely and clear communication is essential for smooth operations. Additionally, check if the supplier has experience working with Amazon sellers, as this can streamline the integration process. By meticulously selecting and vetting suppliers, you can ensure a consistent and high-quality inventory for your Amazon dropshipping store. Selecting profitable products to dropship. Choosing the right products to dropship on Amazon is crucial for the success of your business. Begin by conducting thorough market research to identify trending items and high-demand categories. Use tools like Amazon bestsellers, Google Trends, and Jungle Scout to gain insights into popular products. Next, the competition will be assessed by analyzing existing listings and their reviews to understand what works and can be improved. Look for products with a good profit margin, factoring in Amazon's fees and shipping costs. Ensure that the products you select meet Amazon's quality standards and have reliable suppliers who can consistently meet demand. Lastly, test a few products to see which ones perform best before fully committing to a particular niche. Following these steps can increase your chances of selecting profitable products selling well on Amazon. Listing your dropshipped products on Amazon. Listing your dropshipped products on Amazon involves several critical steps to ensure your items are visible and appealing to potential buyers. First, gather all necessary product information, including high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and relevant keywords. Log into your Amazon Seller Central account and navigate to the Inventory tab. Click on Add a Product and choose the appropriate category for your item. Enter the product details meticulously, ensuring the title is clear and includes primary keywords, and the bullet points highlight key features and benefits. Set competitive pricing by researching similar listings to ensure your product stands out without compromising your profit margins. Finally, review your listing for accuracy and completeness before publishing it. Regularly monitor your listings and make adjustments based on performance metrics and customer feedback to optimize visibility and sales. Managing orders and customer service. Managing orders and customer service is a crucial step in ensuring the success of your dropshipping business on Amazon. First, set up notifications for new orders to stay on top of every sale. Once an order is received, promptly forward the order details to your supplier for fulfillment. Keep track of each order to ensure timely processing and shipping. Communication is key. Maintain regular contact with your supplier to address any issues that may arise. For customer service, respond to inquiries and complaints swiftly and professionally. Use Amazon's messaging system to keep all communications organized and transparent. Implement a system to track returns and refunds, and always strive to provide a positive customer experience to build trust and encourage repeat business. By efficiently managing orders and providing excellent customer service, you can enhance customer satisfaction and foster long-term success on Amazon. Tips for scaling your Amazon dropshipping business. Scaling your Amazon dropshipping business involves several strategic steps to ensure sustainable growth. First, analyze your current product offerings and identify top-performing items to focus on expanding their presence. Next, diversify your product range by researching and adding new, trending items that align with your niche. Improve your supplier relationships to ensure reliable inventory management and faster shipping times. Invest in automation tools for inventory tracking, order processing, and customer service to streamline operations. Enhance your marketing efforts through Amazon PPC, pay-per-click campaigns, social media promotion, and email marketing to drive more traffic and increase sales. Monitor your performance metrics, such as conversion rates and customer feedback, to make informed adjustments and improvements. Finally, consider exploring Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, as a complementary method to dropshipping, which can offer benefits like faster shipping and better customer trust. That's all you need to know about dropshipping on Amazon. If you're interested in learning more about dropshipping in general, hit that subscribe button for more videos.